Assalamualaikum Sahabat Nicolas.
Aku Moza.
Nicolas. Dan aku Anais. Hari ini kita mau lanjutin video lanjutan kemarin tentang tips bahasa Inggris dari Nicolas. Menggunakan metode Nicolas atau kita bilang Nicolas method. Nah, kemarin udah banyak ya tips yang kita bikin. Sekarang tips yang baru lagi. Yang belum nonton silahkan dicek linknya di bawah deskripsi. Dan juga yang belum subscribe, di-subscribe dulu. Kalau enggak, kebangetan.
Please hit the notification bell so you're on our notifications. Yeah.
So what is your method?
So our method is talking to anything. So let's start with talking to a mirror, for example.
So what do you mean by talking to a mirror?
Oh please, talking to a mirror. Talking to mirrors, talk to the mirror. Ngomong ke cermin. Cuman ngomong aja, ngomong-ngomong biasa, ngomong ke cermin.
That's weird.
Ya, ngomong ke cermin biasa gitu kan.
Here, just see the video.
What is your name? Malianis.
Tak ingat tak kemari si Nicolas ngajar kenaon? Ingat. Inggris. Bahasa Inggris. Kenapa? Kenapa? Belajar di harapan kaca. Ayo. Abe gancang apa? Bener. Ayo.
What is
Rehan.
What is my name is Yorim. What is your name? My name is Irman.
What is your name? My name is Arda.
What is your name? My name is Kim. What is your name? My name is Man.
What is your name? My name is Rehan. What is your name? My name is Ibrahim.
Masuk akal sih. But why we should talk with the mirror?
Because to talk to the mirror, you can get practice by talking to yourself. Yeah.
Jadi kalau misalnya ngomong ke cermin, kita latihan ngomong ke diri kita sendiri.
So the next steps is talking to a tree.
Tadi ngomong sama kaca, sekarang ngomong sama pohon.
Are you serious?
Please stop. Just here.
Hello, my name is. This yellow. This is yellow.
is green. This is yellow. Black. This is red. Blue. This is blue. Waduh, benar. Waduh, benar. Blue.
That makes sense.
Yeah, so what is the explanation? Why we need to speak in tree?
Just like because you need to get more in practice by talking into a tree, by getting more practice in your language.
So what's the next tips?
Our next step is talking to your friends. Yeah.
Percuma aja sih kalau misalnya mau bahasa Inggris tapi nggak ada yang bisa diajak ngomong.
If you talk with no one, it's going to be harder to learn how to speak in English. So actually, that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Yeah, and there's going to be next tips from me. See you next time.